Isbuucani waa isbuuca sanad walba dunida laga xusa maalinta xayawaanka duurjoogta adduunka. Deegaanka Malkamari ee hoos timaada kursi baarlamaaneedka Baanisa ee ismaamulka Mandera ayaa lagu qabtay xus lagu weyneynayo maalintan caalamiga ah. Deegaanka Malkamari ayaa sanadkii 1989 loo aqoonsaday inay ka mid tahay 22 xarumood ee ku yaala dalka ee lagu xanaaneeyo xayawaanka duurjoogta ah.
This is an important day, 3rd March each year. We commemorate the importance of this day that was set aside, and we celebrate the importance of conservation, both flora and fauna. That is why you see in this remoteness part of the country, park like Malkamari, we also take part in activities like tree planting and also create awareness to the community around this area. Generally, this is a national park which is in the same status like the other 22 national parks in Kenya. It was gazetted the year 1989. It was gazetted the year 1989. It has an area, an estimate of 876 kilometers square. Its management is under Kenya Wildlife Service. Generally, each park has got a purpose of why it is gazetted. Malkamari is the best habitat for wildlife species, aquatic species, and also some various bird species. It has also best scenery sites, attractions. It has all military graves, it has valleys, it has mountains, it has hills. It has also all military graves. Historically, it's also rich. There is also a fort, a colonial fort, and a lot. It is also a site for plant endemism. There are certain plants that are unique to this park only. We have various tree species. We have various grass species. We have herbs, forbs, and etc.
Dhanka kale, guddiga adeega duurjoogta dalkani Kenya waaxdeeda Malkamari ee magaalada Baanisa ayaa iskuulada magaaladaasi u qaybisay dhir si loo weyneeyo xuska maalinta duurjoogta adduunka, maadaama xayawaanka duurjoogta iyo dhirtu ay isweheshadaan. Ardayda iyo macallimiinta iskuuladii lagu wacyigeliyay inay dhir beeraan ayaa ka mahadnaqay dhirtii loogu deeqay, sheegayna inay ilaalin doonaan inta ay ka baxayso.
We have actually felt the presence of KWS in Baanisa sub-county. We are very grateful for the wonderful gesture towards the conservation of the environment, and we will support you inshallah ta'ala towards the full operationalization of the game park. And as a community, the park community will also help in conserving the environment, and the planting of trees around the school today will go a long way in actually beautifying the environment.
KWS for beautifying our environment, and also we assure you that we will take care of those trees, and next time when you will come, you will see the difference in our environment.
Sanadkii 2013 bisha 12aad ayay qaramada midoobay u sharciyeysay in la xuso sanad walba 3 bisha 3aad maalinta xayawaanka duurjoogta adduunka. Cabdiqafaar Habi, warbaahinta Daawa.